Hello guys, and welcome you all to today's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together today, and in this video we will be sharing with us how we can milk the boom and crash market within 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so we will be looking at 5 minute strategy for trading boom and crash. The 5 minute strategy for trading boom and crash, that is what we'll be looking at in this video, and I'm going to be well detailed about this so that you guys will know how to go about it and how you can make lots and lots of profit with this particular using this particular strategy. Okay, so you just stay tuned. If you have been looking for an easy way to trade any of these assets, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course guys, make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? And do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, before now, I've been getting lots and lots of messages from some of my subscribers. I noticed that most of them are newbies. They want to know the easiest way to go about it. Okay, there are no major easy way. Either you trade on higher time frame or lower time frame. Okay, they are all the same. You just need, there is only one thing you need to be sure of, okay, which is the trend. Once you are in the right trend, then you are good to go. Just that if you are having small trading capital, I'll always advise you to start from the lower time frame. Okay, and I won't advise you to go to 1 minute time frame. Okay, because if you are not very good at what you are doing, 1 minute time frame can be deceiving and it can wipe off your account easily. Okay, I will advise you to go with 5 minute time frame, and that way you can easily see you can easily have a broader look on the chart, so that you will know what you should expect in the next 5 minutes, in the next 10 minutes, in the next 20 minutes. Okay, so that is always very, very important. So I'm going to advise you to start with 5 minute time frame, and of course just follow the simple instruction I will be giving you in this video, most especially if you have no idea about the markets at all. Okay, this is very easy to do. So I'm going to be very brief with this because this is still an intro. We will be going further into it in my next video so that we will understand how to go about it. So quickly, in case you for those of you that have been trading before, you're going to pardon me because I want to also carry those that are the newbies. I want to carry them along in this training session so that they too will be able to make some money for themselves. Okay, and you too will also learn one or two things alongside. Okay, so let's go straight into it. Okay, boom and crash are part of our synthetic indices. Okay, and they are amazing. They are traded 24/7. There is no special time for trading them. Okay, they are also volatile, or short, more volatile than most currency pairs. Okay, so they are unique, and but there is one unique thing about them. Okay, there are two unique things about them. Okay, but there is this particular one that's usually attracts newbies. Okay, the fact that you can easily place an order and you start seeing your order in blue immediately. That is one thing that usually fascinates the newbies, because okay, for instance, for boom, you can easily come in and place a sell signal and it starts selling immediately. Okay, it starts selling immediately. If you are doing that for the first time and you are trading it in the right, I mean, probably you made the market in the right direction, and that is the market, the trend of the market is favorable with the order you placed, you will think that you are a pro already. Okay, not until you start experiencing the other part of it. Okay, I remember sometimes ago one of my subscriber, she is now a pro now anyway. She has been making a lot of money from there right now. Okay, sometimes ago when she just first came across my video, she just went straight to the, I mean, to set up her account, and she started trading boom 1000. Okay, she started selling it, and she was very happy when she was making money. Okay, she was happy making all the money because the market was in her favor. Okay, but immediately she started experiencing spikes, wiping out our capital. She started getting scared, and she came to meet me. She came to meet me. She introduced herself to me, and she was like, she saw my video and she fell in love with the fact that I was making money, and she wanted to do the same thing. So she even deposited immediately. She started making money right from the beginning because the market was in her favor. So she thought that it was free, that the money was free. This is trading, guys. It's just like the physical trading we do in our physical markets. Okay, you buy and someone is selling, and when you are selling, someone else is buying. That is how it works. But she didn't realize that. She thought that it was just free money out there, and not until she experienced the spike that took away her capital, and she got scared, and she came to me and she was crying all over the phone, and I was like, she should calm down, and I had to put her through something, and I had to let her know that there are some things that she needs to know before she can start trading. And she got some of my trading tools then, and she got my materials also. She studied it, and now she's a pro. She's even training some people right now. Okay, so she's really doing well at the moment. So I'm very sure if she's listening to this video, if she's watching this video, she will be laughing. Okay, so that is how it is. Okay, as a newbie, we easily fall in love with this part of synthetic indices because right from the beginning you can easily, most especially if the market is in favor of the signal you are going in for, okay, you're going to think you are a pro already because you're going to see it very easy to make lots of profit with it. But once you start experiencing the other part of it, which is the spiky part of it, then you get scared. In short, you're going to lose all the calculations that you were having before. Okay, so that is how it works. So that is why you need to understand the way it works right from the beginning, even before you jump into it. Okay, so let me quickly say this in case you are a newbie. Okay, like I said, boom and crash are part of synthetic indices. They are traded 24/7. There is no specific time for trading days. Okay, there is no best time for trading it. The only thing that you can say is the best moment for trading it is you knowing the right trend to trade it. Once you know the right trend to trade it, then there is about 90% assurance that you're going to close your trade in profit, except if you are too greedy about it. Okay, that is when you are most likely to lose your capital. Okay, but if you follow the right instruction, you follow the right trend, and you follow the right signal, and you are not greedy about it, then definitely you're going to make lots and lots of profit right from here. So many people have been doing this, and you too can also do it. Okay, so for both assets, you can either buy or sell. Okay, you can either buy or sell, but there is what we call, or what I term as, normal trend. Okay, for both assets. Okay, the spiky part of the assets I don't see them as a normal trend because people usually get scared whenever the market is spiking. Okay, most especially when they don't know when it's going to spike. Okay, because it usually happens suddenly. Okay, but for those that have been that are pro within the market, okay, or for those that have gotten some little bit of experience within the market, they can easily say that, okay, it is most likely to spike around a place, okay, around the market. Okay, okay. For instance, for boom, it is most likely for a spike to happen when the market is around the support zone, okay. For crash, it is most likely for spike to happen when the market is around the resistance zone. So all these are very, very important, okay. So for instance, this is boom and this is a major support zone. We are most likely to have spike happening around here, and you can see it spiked up, and when it gets there again, it is most likely for spike to happen, okay. And because we said it is most likely, that is why we said most likely, okay. More than that is, it is more than 50% assured that spike will happen, okay. Even more than 80% that spike will happen, but the little percentage of the other part of it can also prove us wrong that spike may not happen around there, because there can be breakouts, okay. That is also very important for us to know. There can be breakouts, for instance, around here. Let me pick this up. Around here, a spike happened and the market got there again, so we are expecting spike to happen around there, but it didn't happen. It broke out from there, okay. So that is what I was trying to point out right here, okay. The forces behind the market at that point pushed the market downward to break out from there, so nothing happened around there, okay. So that is one major thing that you can experience within this market, okay. So that is why it is very, very important you understand all these, okay. And okay, let me quickly say this: it is easier to sell for boom, okay. The normal direction for boom is sell trend, okay. That is a downtrend, okay. So you keep on selling and selling and selling, okay. While for crash is a buy trend, okay. You keep on buying and buying. Those are the normal trend that our newbies love trading, okay. So they find it easy to trade those trends. For boom, they love selling. For crash, they love buying. Some of them don't even know that they can trade the other direction, which is for boom they can trade the buy aspect, and for crash they can trade the sell aspect, okay. So they don't know they can do this because they are always scared of the spiky part, okay. So that is very, very important. So in a nutshell, what I was trying to say is that, okay, what I'm trying to say is that you can either buy or sell any of these assets, okay. So that is very, very important. And boom and crash, our assets are divided into 6 different parts. For boom is having 3 different assets under it, while crash is having different assets under it, okay. For boom and crash, we have boom and crash 1000, we have boom and crash 500, and we have boom and crash 300. As the figures are going down, so also is how volatile the market of such asset is, okay. For instance, boom 500 is more volatile than boom 1000, then boom 300 is more volatile than boom 500 and boom 1000, which means the more the volatility, the more the profit you can make. And also very, very important, you can also lose your money easily within that region, okay. So if it is really, really volatile, you can make a lot of profit right there, and also you can lose your money out. You can lose all your money within seconds, okay, within such assets, okay. That is also very, very important. That is why you need to know the right direction to follow. Once you know the right direction to follow, then you will be able to milk the market successfully for a very long time, okay. So let's see how we can trade within 5-minute time frame. I will just go through it so that we can build up on it in my next video, okay. So this is it, guys. The first thing I would love you to do is to have your chart on 5-minute time frame, and you should have a good setup that can help you to understand the direction of the market, okay. This time around we'll be focusing more on the normal trend, okay, on the normal trend, which is for boom it's a sell trend, while for crash is a buy trend, okay. So how do we know the sell trend? The sell trend always starts from the resistance zone. Here is a major resistance zone, okay. Yeah, right. Okay, let me adjust this horizontal line a bit. Let me give it a different color, and of course so that we can see it very well, I'm going to thicken the line so that we can see it very well. Okay, I think this is cool enough, okay. So from this horizontal line it started, okay. So that is where this is where the sell trend started from. Okay, so when the market is on sell trend, it makes it very easy for us to sell. Not that there won't be spike in between, you can see there are spikes in between, but we are always having the assurance that it will go, it will still go down in that direction, because we are in the trend, we are on downtrend at that particular time. So it keep on selling at that particular time. So you can easily come in here and pick up your 5-minute candle from your from your sell signal right here. You can pick up your 5-minute candle and you can trade till you either see the indicator indicating that it's about to range, because around there it's going to indicate that it's about to range. So before it starts ranging, you can close your trade right there. And if you should do your calculation, you will notice that you would have made a lot of profit right from there. So if you are starting there and you are closing right here, that is a lot of profit. Okay, that is 30 minutes opportunity of trading. Okay, if you are earning 0.5 cents per minute, okay, that is a lot of profit for you right there. Okay, so that is more than, it's a lot of profit anyway. So you can do your calculation right from there. Okay, so you can just close your trade around here. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, or probably when you have a buy signal, so you close your trade. Okay, because a sell signal will give you your entry point, a buy signal will give you an exit point right here on this particular asset. If it is crash, okay, let's check out crash. If it is crash, a buy signal will give you your entry point, and a sell signal should give you your exit point right here. Okay, so all these are very, very important, so that you will know how to go about it. That is if you are using these trading tools which I'm having on my charts right here. Okay, if you are not using the same, then you might find it difficult to follow what I just explained briefly right here. Okay, except if you are very good with your technical analysis. Okay, so for those of you that are having it already, so you already know what to do. Of course, you guys have been milking the market with it, and I'm very sure there's going to be a lot of opportunity for you to milk the market with it. Okay, so that is how it's worked. So I'm going to be building up on this in my next video, so that you guys will understand how to go about it. I will be sharing some unique strategies with you, so that you will know how to follow through. And you can, of course, in one of the training sessions, I will also share with you how you can lock up your profit even within the normal trend. Okay, it's possible. I know most of you will say spike does not respect stop loss. Of course, I know it doesn't respect stop loss, but you can still use it to save some of your profits in the market, and I'm going to show you how to go about it. It is very easy to do. Okay, so we will be doing that in my in the videos that will be coming up in this week, but in my next video we'll be building up on what we have started today. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy courtesy Qora digital cash. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora digital cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.